Hello friends, today I would like to introduce X2000 Super Adhesive Tape, a suitable solution for many different waterproof leak repair situations. This waterproof tape can easily solve roof cracks of the building. The material leaks water effectively. Super adhesive waterproof tape coated with a thick, extremely strong adhesive. Once glued, it is almost impossible to peel off, so customers need to be careful when using it. The durability is up to 10 years. The surface is a silver layer that is able to insulate even when the weather is hot from the outside. This silver film not only insulates the heat but also reduces the decomposition of the inner glue layer, making the waterproofing effect last longer than ever. With a strong adhesive thickness and a protective outer layer of insulating silver, it provides effective waterproofing. Can patch all surfaces from wood, glass, plastic, corrugated iron, concrete to ceramic. Patch and seal any holes and cracks. So what are you waiting for? Hurry up and leave your phone number with a 50% sale promotion for the first 100 customers. A good and useful product like this, what are you waiting for? Quickly click on the link to buy. Guys, leave your phone number for me to consult.